CHZ basically faces obstruction at 20 cents in an unpretentious manner. CHZ down roughly 0.44% inside the by and large most recent 24 hours, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20 in an unobtrusive way. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the exact past week, acquiring 6.83%, essentially further appearance how Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the very past week, acquiring 6.83%, or so they especially thought. 22 October 2023, in this video we will for the most part walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally clarified some things, facts, what especially is essentially transient cost expectation for Chilliz, for the most part is CHZ a genuinely wise venture? Which by and large is genuinely critical. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Yet, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the CHZ specialized investigation, let us discuss the for the most part current economic situations, showing how CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA20, which in a real sense is very huge. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,134,997,981,662, kind of additional appearance, how market investigation over the essentially last 24 hours, there by and large, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,134,997,000,000, which is genuinely huge. The essentially all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $40,453,921,837, by and large further appearance, how Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the truly past week, acquiring 6.83%, fundamentally further appearance how Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the for the most part past week, acquiring 6.83% in a huge manner. Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22%, extremely further appearance how CHZ for the most part faces obstruction at 20 cents in an especially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours, showing that CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time span in a sort of significant manner. XRP, the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP especially, is up by 0.19 and presently exchanging at 52 cents in every way that really matters, further appearance how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 0.19. And as of now exchanging at 52 cents, or so they sort of thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a sort of large way. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a truly descending heading for essentially present moment, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Right now, an exceptionally broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA20, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to really distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they in a real sense thought. Support especially is a level at which purchasers really become more dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how CHZ down roughly 0.44% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which merchants truly become truly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution, The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, explicitly is at $0.060, down 0.44% in the beyond 24 hours, and certainly has a value change of 6.83% throughout the week in an especially significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is 35,053,760.00 United States dollars, while especially complete market cap came to $446,865,011 United States dollars, exhibiting how CHZ generally faces opposition at 20 cents in an unpretentious manner. There in every practical sense are practically 7,498,079,839 for the most part are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, so there are practically 7,498,079,839 certainly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, which sort of is very critical. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 22 October 2023, inside a sort of day-to-day time span in a real sense, made sense of beneath, exhibiting that the very all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $40,453,921,837. Pretty further appearance how Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the very past week, acquiring 6.83%. Exceptionally further appearance how Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the exact past week, acquiring 6.83% in a kind of significant manner. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving most certainly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every way that really matters, normal, EMA, too in every practical sense. Examine the future development of the Chilliz, showing that as of now, a by and large broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging beneath EMA 20 in an extremely significant way. The general strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin fundamentally is right now floating at 28 for 14 days essentially normal line, which explicitly implies CHZ for the most part is an oversold zone. And a pattern in every way that really matters, inversion in a real sense, is somewhat conceivable in a genuinely significant manner. The Chilliz really has sort of break all its in every practical sense, upholds levels, and things especially are not looking great for the crypto market, which most certainly is genuinely huge. At present, certainly bears in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively really take CHZ cost underneath the essential help level of 17 cents. Which generally shows that XRP, the local coin of XRP, for the most part is up by 0.19 and as of now exchanging at 52 cents, by and large further appearance, how XRP the in every practical sense. Local coin of